Myself, Gawar Patel, lecturer in Vallabhbudi Polytechnic, Navsari, in Computer Engineering Department. Today, our first lecture, so we introduction about all subject. First, we see there are total 6 subjects in our Computer Engineering Department. First one is Computer Programming, CP subject. In this subject, we learn the C language, and C language is the basic language. In all other language, .NET, Android, C++, data structure, we must the basic knowledge of C language. So take very carefully this subject. Second one, in this subject we have a theory plus practical. There are 3 lectures in week and 4 week for the practical. Second one is basic maths. That is the fundamental maths of 11 and 12 science. In them we have to only theory, there is no any practical. 3 lectures of theory and 2 lectures of tutorial. ECHM, that is environment. We learn about the atmosphere, pollutions, earth, etc. In this subject there are 4 lectures of only theory. English, that is our basic English. You learn in 8, 9 and 10 standard. Some story is there and some part of grammar. It have only theory part. There are 4 lectures of them per week. FOD, fundamental of digital engineering. That is the electronic subject. In this subject we learn the different type of number system and some digital technology in this subject. It have a theory and practical both. 3 lectures of theory and 4 I think 2 hours of FOD practical. Last subject is FCA, fundamental of computer application. In this subject we learn the Microsoft Office. Here we study the Office 2007, Internet, DOS operating system, basic introduction of HTML, because the deeply we learn in next semester, and hardware and software part. That is our subject introduction. In diploma engineering field, you can write the exam paper in both language, English as well as Gujarati. Now we see the fundamental of computer. First, we see what is computer. The computer is electronic machine. We learn today in all part we need the computer. Without computer, world is stop. So that is the very important device. In this lecture, we learn about the basic introduction of computer. That is our subject, fundamental of computer application. Now we see what is computer. The computer is an electronic machine. it is electronic machine. There are so many electronic machine is there. TV is also electronic machine. Mobile is also electronic device, but it have something different. Using them, we can run very fast calculation and also store the data. It is one standard electronic machines. For main purpose is there is very fast calculation and we can also store data, because calculator is also know we calculate the data, but there is one limitation is there, we cannot store the data. One more things here we learn, there are three part in computer: ALU, CU and memory. ALU means arithmetical logical unit. Using this unit we can do calculation like addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, etc. calculation. CU means control unit. It control the all device of computer. And memory means storage the data in computer. We know our all data stored in hard disk. Externally we store it in pen drive, CD, DVD, etc. So that is the computer. Again we see computer is an electronic machine. That is definition. Using them we can do very fast calculation and also store the data. In them there are three parts there: ALU, CU and memory. Now we see the field of computer. There are two fields in a computer. First one is hardware, second one is a software. You all know. Physical component of computer is called hardware. That is, we can touch. Means touchable part of computer is known as a hardware. Keyboard, mouse, monitor, all part are included in hardware. We see deeply in our fundamental of computer application subject. There are three type of hardware device: input device, output device, process device. But we deeply see in our fundamental of computer application subject. But that is the basic introduction. Software. Software means our logical component. Logical component means we cannot touch them. Only we experience, like your WhatsApp. WhatsApp is also one type of software. You can see, use, but you cannot touch. Just you image, you touch, but it is not touch to WhatsApp. It touch your mobile touch screen. There are two type of software: application software and system software. Application software means that is used for our particular purpose, like MS Office, Paint, WhatsApp, Facebook. All are the application because you use your any purpose. And system software means our operating system, like Windows 7, Windows 10, Android. That is our operating system. It provides a platform for the application software. Now we see characteristic of computer. First one is communication. Communication means like internet, because via internet we can connect the two far away part. Suppose for one in USA and one in India, we communicate via internet, and there is must require the computer for run the internet. Our mobile system is also one type of computer. Accuracy. It do work very clearly. We can do thousands of calculation within a millisecond. It is high speed, but there is no chance of any error. So it is accuracy and high speed. You also all know about the Excel. In Excel, you put the formula Using this formula, drag this formula and you can do thousands of calculation within a millisecond, but there is no any error. Storage. Any work we do, this work can store in our computer and we use when we require. Suppose we make the one file in Excel, Word, that is stored in our hard disk device, and you can use anytime, any year ago you store in computer, that is used after so many year. You can store in many way. In our computer system you can store the data. Externally you store in our pen drive, CD, pen drive, CD, DVD, etc. But there must require the computer controlling. It is the most important part, because today in microcontrolling system we can do many process using computers. Suppose CNC machine. CNC machine also controlled by the computer. In diamond mill we also use the computer. There are work done in 1 hours, and that work done by men, 10 men within a 1 day. This machine controlled by our computer system. Also you know wheel balancing system, printing, plotter also controlled by the computer. There are two type of computer. First one is analog computer, second one is digital computer. Analog computer is old generation, we use in the past. It have low speed and large size. Today mostly this type of computers disappear, but you can also see this computer in telephone exchange nowadays. That is work on hexadecimal system. It use the analog signal, means sine wave. That type of signal used in the analog computer. In watch, toy also use the analog system. Digital computer is the latest system in new generation, because it have a very high speed and small size. Our latest computer, PC, laptop, etc. are the digital computer. Mobiles also the digital computer. It use the square wave. Square wave means 0101. Nowadays our digital computer system is totally work on binary system. Binary system have only 2 digits, 0 and 1. There are 4 type of computer is there: microcomputer, mini computer, supercomputer, and main computer, mainframe computer. We deeply in next lecture. Learn deeply in next lecture. Microcomputer means our personal computer. Mini computer means our laptop. Supercomputer used by the medical science system, military system, because it have a very fast process. Mainframe computer means the server used in banking system and railway system, some other large storage system. Thank you.